Welcome back to my channel. This is Nalini from class 7A talking with you through Cam with MA. So before we start, I would please request you to like and subscribe, and let's start. Chemical bond. Today we're going to be learning about chemical bond and ionic bond. Let's start with chemical bond. Definition. A chemical bond is associated with an atom, or ions to form molecule, crystals, or other section. Basically, that means that also can be said as the attractive force that holds two or more atoms together in a molecule or ion is called chemical bond. So let's see how it works. The atoms interact with through the valence outermost electron. That is, here, you take an atom. Let's take, for example, hydrogen. Its outermost electron is 1. So it reacts with another atom to um tell like this makes it to make sharing electron. These interactions can involve sharing electrons, transfer of electrons, or other mechanisms like metallic bonding. The goal is to achieve a more stable electronic configuration, often reassembling near the noble gases. So we know that in noble gases, the noble gases are stable. That is, they follow the Lewis octet rule, which I'll be telling about which I'll be telling about in the next video. So metallic bond. This bond, so to achieve stability, they have to get 8 electrons in the remote outermost shells. This is how they achieve stability. Types of chemical bond. Ionic bond. Today I'll be covering about ionic bond and chemical bond. Covalent bond, sharing of electrons. Metallic bond, sea of electrons shared among metal atoms. Secondary bonds, weaker forces like hydrogen bonds or van der Waals interactions. Let's go to, so we've learned what's a chemical bond. Anyone to, please, if you liked under chemical, if you understood under chemical bond, please type yes in the chat box or in the comment section below. And let's go to ionic bond. So definition of an ionic bond. If this ionic bond, you can say, is also called as electrovalent bond, is formed by the electrostatic attraction between oppositely charged ions. So this ionic bond only happens in charged particles that are ions. So we know two charged particles, that is positive and negative. Formation process. One atom, usually metal, loses electrons and becomes positively charged. That basically means becomes cations. We know that metals have the ability to lose electrons and non-metals have the ability to gain electrons. Let's continue. Another atom, usually a non-metal, gains those electrons, becoming a negatively charged ion, that is anion. The resulting attraction between cation and anion creates a stable ionic compound. Example, sodium chloride. So sodium, its atomic number is 11, and if you see the shell configuration, you get 2, 8, and 1. And for chlorine, you see that its atomic number is 17, and if you do its shell configuration, you get 2, 8, and 7. So here you see sodium, that is a metal, needs to lose one electron to gain stability, and Chlorine, that is non-metal, needs to gain one electron to create stability. So this um, uh, this sodium loses its extra valence electron to create a a stable electron, while this Cl, that is chlorine, gains one electron that creates chlorine also stable. So this makes together they form NaCl. Properties of ionic bonds. These bonds have high melting point and boiling point, often soluble in water. Conduct electricity when dissolved or molten, but does not conduct electricity when in solid. So, in short, chemical bond is a general term for forces holding atoms together and a type of chemical bond formed by electron transfer and attraction between ions. So, if you like this video, that's it for today. If you like this video, please click the like button and then subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thank you for watching. Bye from Emma.